Hi, this is Pramila Gupta, and let's talk about gut health today. This is a misunderstood topic because when people think about gut issues, they often think about digestive issues like constipation, gas, diarrhea, bloating, and that is what they think gut issues are all about. But there is more to gut health. Let us understand what are the various symptoms that you can get if you are suffering from gut issues. Number one is chronic inflammation. So, if you have high inflammation in your body that is causing you body pains and aches, it could be a gut issue. Number two is acne and skin issues. Yes, gut health can also be the reason why you have so much of acne or skin related issue. Number three is mood problems. Have you ever heard about the gut brain connection? Yes, this could be the reason behind your anxiety, depression, or even Alzheimer's. Number four is weight gain. If you have tried everything but you're still not losing weight, maybe your gut is contributing to your weight gain. Number five is chronic fatigue. If you are tired all the time, maybe it's your gut that is not absorbing the nutrients properly from your food and causing this tiredness. Poor gut health can mess up with so many things, right from immune system to your energy levels. So if you are suffering from any of these symptoms, it's time to focus on your gut. Now, what causes poor gut health? The main two reasons why you could be suffering from poor gut health could be dysbiosis or a leaky gut. Now, what is dysbiosis? Dysbiosis happens when the number of bad bacteria in your gut has increased and it's overpowering the number of good bacteria in the gut. So, this imbalance is what's causing a lot of issues in your body. The second is a leaky gut or an intestinal permeability. Now, this happens when the gut lining that separates the gut from the bloodstream, it becomes damaged or leaky, and it starts allowing toxins or pathogens inside the bloodstream. This disrupts the immune system and it raises inflammation in the body. Now, what causes this dysbiosis or a leaky gut? There are multiple reasons why the gut might become leaky. The few reasons that I'm going to be talking about are having too much of processed food in your diet, emulsifiers in the food, or maybe artificial sweeteners. If you're popping too many painkillers or having antibiotics too often, even stress causes leaky gut. Not sleeping well causes leaky gut. So there could be multiple reasons that could be contributing to this dysbiosis or a leaky gut. Another thing that I would want to talk about before I give the solutions is LPS or lipopolysaccharide. Now these are toxins that are released by some of the bacteria in the gut. When the gut becomes leaky, then these LPS can cross the gut barrier and enter the bloodstream. After entering the bloodstream, it can go to various organs in the body where it can cause inflammation, brain fog, or joint pain, or multiple other symptoms and disease. So it's extremely important to keep the gut lining intact and not allow the LPS to enter the bloodstream. Time to talk about the solutions now. We have learned all about gut health and understood what are the causes for gut issues. Now, let me make you understand how you can fix a leaky gut in a natural way. Number one is eat more fiber. Foods like onion, garlic, chia seeds, raw bananas, sweet potatoes, they all have good fiber in them, which is beneficial and food for the good bacteria. Now, in the process of consuming these fibers, the gut bacteria also produce short chain fatty acids, which are extremely beneficial for our body. Number two is probiotics. Probiotics is another way of adding more of good bacteria to your gut, which can crowd out the bad bacteria away. Now, fermented foods like kimchi, homemade pickle, sauerkraut, or even yogurt has good bacteria in them. So, consuming fermented food in a regular manner can help boost the gut bacteria, which are beneficial for you. Number three is cut out processed food and sugar. The bad bacteria loves sugar and junk food. So cut them out and you're taking away the fuel of these bacteria. Number four is manage stress. Chronic stress releases high level of cortisol, which is a hormone that disrupts the gut bacteria. Now, if you can manage your stress through meditation, mindfulness, yoga, deep breathing, you can help manage your gut bacteria better. Number five, get more sleep. Sleep plays a very important role in gut health. Making sure that you get 7 to 8 hours of deep restorative sleep can help your gut bacteria. Number six, supplements. Adding supplements like zinc, vitamin D, or glutamine can play a very important role in managing your gut health. But please refer to your doctor before adding any supplement in your routine. If you are struggling with skin issues, mood swings, autoimmune condition, or if you're just feeling off, don't overlook your gut. Focusing on your gut health can have a massive impact on your overall health. If you are wondering about your current health and want to understand the inflammation level in your body, do not forget to take the quiz that I have put down in the description. It's a simple quiz to help you understand what is the level of inflammation in your body right now. Thank you so much for watching this. If you have found this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel and also share this with your friends. If you would like to book a call with me, the link of the call is down there in the description below. Thank you so much and take care.